Okay, so we're going to glue together the playing cards box and the cards themselves. And the playing card box is incredibly fiddly. I've pre-folded everything, really important to do. And I'm going to have one of the box ends open. So I'm just going to stick this tab, the mental one with mental written at the bottom, and the side tab, and use the old faithful Pritt stick, which is fine for this thickness of card. I'm going to be quite generous with it, and I'm going to use a little metal tool to push the elements in place, and I'll show you that in a moment. So I just need to fold the mental section, which sounds strange in itself, and fold around so that the flaps sit correctly on the box, like so. I'm just going to open up this top flap a little bit wider and pinch, and then using this tool, and you can use the end of a metal pencil if you've got one of those, just push against it so that it sticks. It takes no time at all for this to dry, and actually if you've folded it carefully, and I've used my wonderful crease folder to make those folds really crisp, then it works perfectly. And there's your box. And then you can do the same with the playing cards. You only need to glue one side, but I would definitely glue off the edge like that. And again, I folded them really carefully, and I'm going to show you again just how tightly I push down that fold. I'm going to glue a few more. So again, right to the edge, push down. And then if you want to be really fastidious with your detailing, you can use nail scissors or a craft knife if you're agile enough, and curve the corners. So I've in the past just snipped a slight edge around the corner using these curved nail scissors, and you can hold the playing card quite effectively using tweezers, and just give a tiny little curved cut to the edge of the playing card. And reason that they are made with two pieces of card is that it gives them a little firmness, so a little rigidity. There are very few touchable props in On Air, so it's quite nice to have one that is very touchable. There we go. I'm just going to cut the corners here. There we go. You can see just a tiny little cut around each of the corners gives it an edge, and already this box is sealed.